The Vaporesso Swag Kit in 60 seconds. Vaporesso is back and saddling up with a next travel size setup, the Vaporesso Swag Kit. This portable mod is definitely reminiscent of some of the other devices, but with a number of features, this kit definitely stands out from the rest. The Swag mod's powered by the Omniboard 2.2 chip, meaning that you have 6 complete output options, giving you plenty of choices when you use this device. Powering this device is a single 18650 battery, allowing this device to top out at 80 watts, which is more than enough to power the Vaporesso NRG SE Tank that comes in the kit. There's even a smart variable wattage mode where the device can recognize the wattage that you should be running at, taking all the guesswork out of it. As far as the look goes, this mod has a sleek and compact design, which is tailored to sit comfortably in your hand. Something to keep in mind is that the top threaded cap for the battery bay will restrict the size of the tank you use. While that sounds like a concern, the included NRG SE Tank sits perfectly, and the cap does help you get a firmer grip on the device. The Vaporesso Swag Kit's an excellent option for an on-the-go mod, and for anyone that wants all the features of a full-size device in the palm of your hand. You can find the Swag Kit and many devices like it at VapeWild.com today.